You fucking hit me, I'm gonna punch you in the face. Are you serious?
Like, excruciating.
Where'd you get hit?
In the back. I knew you were right there. I couldn't shoot through the bush.
Oh.
And I turned around, it's like right here, and it's like, it's through my vest. And it stings like, I think you actually broke skin.
Through your vest?
Yeah, it's
holy shit.
Kind of excruciating right now. It was one shot. Yes, mine died on single auto.
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah, I was like, I switched it to full auto, shut down the ground, and I'm like, fuck.
He had me fucking pinned. I fell into that bush, and I just sat there. I'm like, Garrett, will help? He didn't move.
I get it.
Yeah. Get out of Sammy's way.
The single auto thing?
Yeah.
I think that was a one-timer. Good. I liked it, but if I got shot in the face with that, that would have just...
Oh, you know what it was?
That would have welted me.
You know what it was? It was probably game! It's probably that 700 F.